cleaning your beard with the beard shampoo and conditioner.
Wheat protein, coconut oil, and vitamin E helps get rid of any impurities for the skin.
Detangle.
Use a few drops of the beard serum to detangle and get rid of any knots.
It's time to pamper your beard.
The Cedarwood Beard Oil is to be applied next. That softens and nourishes the beard. Don't worry, it's a non-greasy formulation.
Growth.
Roll the Vetiver infused beard growth oil on the roots of the beard. That provides nourishment, strengthens the roots, and helps your beard retain that moisture.
Styling your beard.
That converts dry, unruly beards into soft, manageable ones.
Set.
Use the Moustache wax for easy and flexible styling, which gives a strong hold and an everlasting style.